People don't quit trading because they're bad at it. They quit trading because they think that they don't have time. They tell themselves, I'd trade if I could be in front of the charts more. Or I'd trade if I didn't have a full-time job. Or I'd trade if my schedule wasn't so crazy. And I want to be very clear about something right up front. Time is not the real problem. Mismatch is. Because most people aren't failing at trading, they're trading the wrong market at the wrong time for the life that they actually have. And that will drain you faster than any bad trade could. So, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to match the market to your schedule. So that way trading stops feeling like another job and starts fitting into your life the way it's supposed to. So, if you're new here, I'm LaKiesha and I've been trading and investing for over 15 years. And just this year alone, I have made over $100,000 while working full-time on the side. And I teach traders how to simplify their thinking, stop overcomplicating their charts, and build a process they can actually stick to. And what I've learned is this: most trading stress has nothing to do with strategy. It has everything to do with how trading fits into your day. Before we go any further, if you're brand new to trading and your goal is to take your first live profitable trade, I have a program called the Trading Launchpad. It is designed to get you there in 30 days or less without being overwhelmed, because I literally take it step by step. And if you're new or you've been trading for a while, but your trading still isn't profitable yet, then that's exactly what the Profitable Traders Academy is built for. I'll link both of those in the description below so that way you can choose which one fits where you are right now. Now, let's talk about time. So here's the thing that most people never question. They don't ask which market actually fits my schedule. They ask, how do I squeeze trading into my schedule? And that mindset alone can create some pressure, because now trading feels rushed, it feels forced, and it also feels like it's something that you're constantly behind on. And when you feel behind, you make worse decisions. It's not just true for trading, but it's true for a lot of things in life. Some people are trying to day trade markets that require constant attention, and that's while working a full-time job. Others are trading markets that move best overnight, but they're only checking the charts during their lunch break. And some people only have about 30 to 60 minutes a day, and that's totally cool, but they're trying to trade like someone who sits at a trading desk all day. That is not a discipline issue. That is just a mismatch. So if you've ever felt like the market moves when I'm not watching it, or every time I sit down and nothing is happening, that's not bad luck, it's just bad timing. And different markets move best at different times, and different strategies require different levels of attention, and different lifestyles require different approaches. You don't fix that by trying harder. Sometimes you can, but you can really fix it by matching the market to your reality. If you're looking at a chart right now, I want you to pause and ask yourself, when does this market actually move? Not what social media says, not when someone else who traded says it, and you want to know, when does it move consistently? If you're only showing up during dead hours, of course that market is going to feel boring and you're going to take random trades and everything is going to feel random. It's not that that market is broken. Sometimes it is, but sometimes it's just your timing. So let me give you a simple analogy. Think about going to the gym. Some people work out best early in the morning. Others do better in the evening. Neither is better. But forcing yourself into the wrong time usually leads to you quitting. And trading is the same way. You don't need the best time, you need your time. So here's a simple filter I want you to start using. Ask yourself these 3 questions. How much uninterrupted time do I realistically have? How often can I check the market without stress? And am I trading something that requires more attention than I can actually give it? If the answer feels uncomfortable, then that's usually where the truth is and you need to make some adjustments. So, what should you actually do with this information? First, be honest about your schedule, not an aspirational schedule. Be honest. I want you to stick with this. And second, I want you to choose markets and time frames that also align with your schedule. And third, build consistency around when you show up, not how often you force trades, because trading rewards alignment, not hustle. Usually, in the beginning, you will have to hustle so you can understand, but after you get it, it's going to be better to do less. So these are things that I had to learn myself, especially when I stopped trying to trade everything all the time and started trading in a way that actually fit my life. Everything got a bit calmer. My decisions improved, and my confidence also improved, and ironically, my results improved. So, if trading feels like it's competing with your life, competing with your job, something is definitely off. And trading should be supporting your life, not draining it. And once you match the market to your schedule, you stop forcing trades and you start making decisions that you can actually stand behind, things that you can actually hold to. If you want help applying this in real time, if you're brand new, start with the Trading Launchpad. There's a lot of really cool things in there. And if you're new or trading, but still not profitable yet, and you want structure, feedback, and a clear process, then Profitable Traders Academy is where all of that happens. Both programs are linked below, so that way you can choose what fits best for you. And if this video helped you, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Also share this with a friend so that way you could be someone that introduces them to a cool video. I'll see you in the next one.